Hello everyone, my name is Audra Doyle and I am the owner of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. Now if you've been watching my other videos, you know that we have had a lot of changes with the Visa Bulletin over the past few years. Today I'm going to be discussing the EB1 category, and various types of workers can fit into this category. The first type are people with extraordinary ability in their field. The second type are people who are outstanding professors or researchers. And the third type are people who are multinational managers or executives. The EB1 category is the first preference of all the employment-based workers. They should get the best preferential treatment on the Visa Bulletin. Now, a few years ago, the EB1 category on the Visa Bulletin always said current, and it was usually current for most of the world. But recently we have seen retrogression in this category, and it is making a big difference for my new immigrants who want to file under this category. So let's talk about the practical implications of what this means for you. The most common fact pattern that I see is someone who has come to the United States to visit. They have a visitor's visa, or they may have a student visa where they want to learn English. Then they contact me and they say, Audra, I have a strong career back in my home country, I have a job offer in the U.S., and I would like to file for a green card. Now, a few years ago when the Visa Bulletin said current, this was no problem. We could apply for them and say, number one, the person has extraordinary ability with their I-140 petition. And at the same time, number two, I could also mail in a green card application because the Visa Bulletin said current. There were visas available. But now, we've run out of visas. And everyone in the EB1 category needs to wait in line. They have to wait their turn for a visa to become available for them. And in August 2019, I wrote this down, we're going to have a 3-year wait before someone can apply for their green cards based on their extraordinary ability, whether they're a multinational manager or executive, or they're an outstanding professor or researcher. This is a huge change. Now, the practical problem that I see are those people that came in on a visa where they're supposed to go home in a short period of time, such as the visitor's visa. You're only allowed to stay a maximum of 6 months. If you're a student, you have to continue studying and maintain your student status for all of the time up until the point when you're able to file your green card application. Some people are going to finish their school, or the 6 months are going to come and go before they can file a green card. And that is what the practical implication is for this Visa Bulletin. So what we have to do is find another way for them to remain in the United States and remain in status before that Visa Bulletin allows them to file their cases. The most common thing that I do is an O1 petition. They will have to be sponsored by an employer, they will have to work in their field, and they will have to demonstrate that they have extraordinary ability for this visa category. But if you're applying for an EB1 with extraordinary ability, chances are you're also going to qualify for the O1 extraordinary ability. So if you're in this situation now where you have come to visit the United States, you're exploring your options of extraordinary ability green card, the takeaway is that you can't go from tourist visa to filing a green card in a short period of time anymore. It is likely that you're going to have to find a way to stay longer in the United States before you can apply for your green card, or you're going to have to finish your visit and then go home to your home country and wait for the visa to be available. I hope this information has been helpful for you and hope everyone has a great day.